Get that off. Yeah, they've tried to glue it. Is it glued? I don't like it. Watch that bottle. Alright, before I take this off, I'll go ahead and loosen this inner cover. Like that. They can have that glued very tight.
One of them drinking.
Definitely using it though. Alright, there you go. Alright. You got it. Set that over there. Let me get this smoker real quick. Alright. Stay calm, baby bees. Now I'm gonna try to rob some decent. Start out with some of these back frames so you can go ahead and get them out of the way. See a lot of comb. You are? Hey, that's what do that. Hey, what do you go ahead and do it. Go ahead and do it. Here it comes, I think. Real slow.
There you go.
Alright, this one I think got enough comb we can give this one away. Yeah, hell yeah, that's good.
What is it? Oh.
A lot of good comb.
What is that thing?
I don't know. For some reason they ate that spot or something. Alright, I'm gonna steal. Oh, that might be worm damage. Alright, I'm gonna steal this one. Just set it out where them bees can Alright, I'm gonna rob this one too. Are we? How many do you want to rob from them? Just two. Oh, that's pretty right there. I don't know, that looks like honey almost. That is gonna be honeycomb, I'm pretty sure. Now, do we want to inspect these next few and see what we got going on? I would like to. Alright. Might want to be ready on the
work quick.
But no, they ain't acting. They ain't curious yet. Need to find that queen. Got to, but
no.
They're doing something. They're storing pollen, I think, in there. That's for the babies. Yeah, it dropped a bunch of pollen just now. Should we move? Just set it back down in there. No, that pollen's got to be close to the brood. I'm saying when we add these new frames, just add them to the outside, or do we want to add them somewhere where they might be able to use them? I can get there. Put them on the outside.
I'll put them back where the ones you stole from them.
Oh, that's a bunch of brood. Oh, look at these drone cells. Ah, those are supersedure cells. Are they now? That's what it looks like. Hey, easy. Might be that camera. Might be drone comb. I see new brood.
What is all that?
Yeah. We'll have to ask. Alright. Move that smoker away a little bit, Edie. It's getting a little too intense. Well, a lot of times I can just rock it. Nope, can't do it on this one. Alright. Wow, that purpleness is amazing. What's that they're balling up on? You see it? More supersedure cells, it looks like. Up through there. I don't think that's drone. Turn on the other side. That one, they're dancing. See them dancing? Yeah, they're waggling. They were dancing down here. See, hang on. Ain't that more supersedure? Or hopefully that's drone. See, I don't know what that is. Let's keep searching. Maybe we'll find the queen. Here you go, Eric.
Still gotta put another super on.
See, there's a bunch of so much broodcomb. I don't know why they've been making supersedure cells unless they plan on getting rid of the old queen. Cause she is an old matriarch. That might be honeycomb.
There you go. There's your queen.
Yep, there's a queen. Get her, Eric. She's doing fine.
Bring it out on her. Where's she at? Oh yeah, right there. Bring it on out, Eric. That way it'll be a little bit.
It's hard to.
Can you see it very good on the video?
I got her. You can see the little dot.
Yeah.
All right, before she moves and flies away.
Hell yeah.
We'll
That's all you wanted to see, wasn't it?
Well, no, let's check some of these on back here.
Now we know where the queen is. We gotta be real careful how she goes back. Let me get that smoker real quick.
See if they're making honey right on some of these.
You gonna start on the outsiders?
Yeah. Well, that's where the honey should be, is towards the outside.
Just a bunch of bees doing them. I guess they're storing, but I don't know what. That ain't good. That's dead. That's dead stuff. I think that might have been where they chill.
Chill breeze.
Mm-hmm.
Want to move that closer on into the queen?
Nah. All them dead bees, they're gonna have to work out. I might just leave this frame out, I'll be honest with you. I'm gonna leave this frame out.
Just sort of set it where they can find their home again.
Sorry, easy. This is one with the queen, right?
Yes.
Right. That's good drawn, decent drawn. Just leave that to them, unless you wanna, yeah, leave that to them. Have we pulled this frame yet? Or this frame?
We haven't pulled either of those.
I'll pull this one back and scoot it that way.
So you wanna go ahead and check it? Check them both or what?
Yeah, I do. We're in it. Oh, pushing that girl. She won't send nothing along.
Hang on. Oh, never mind. Pollen all over there.
Is that a new queen? I don't see what you're talking about. Right there. Look how long that abdomen is.
Right there.
I see. Wouldn't she
doubt it.
been
I
to
don't-
kill
I
the
don't
other
think
one?
so.
Yeah, usually. Alright, I'll try the one last one. Watch out. Watch out.
So how many new frames? We need 3 new frames.
You want me to go on and grab them?
No. Nah, you keep filming for now. Well, I don't see any honey.
I see pollen on them and everything. Oh, you crushed 2 of them. Oh, yeah.
You better work quick now.
All right. Those new frames need to be added to the outside.
Okay, so now this is one that the queen's on, so be real careful to open it up gently.
What side is she on?
She was on your side. Oh shit, that one right there got crushed. I need to get it off. Keep the pheromone from going out.
Hey, get that smoker and smoke these bees so I can move these frames.
Alright, now we'll grab the new one. Alright, let's see if this one's slide in there. I'm gonna need your help with that hive tool because it ain't on the slide. You gotta move this one out some, back some.
Alright, hang on to that frame because it's trying to drop me outside this.
I ain't got it yet. Alright. Two more. Be real gentle about that now. That's a good way to crush the queen. You're not quite scooted. Oh, back.
Alright, honeybees, you gotta go to making some honey.
Tell you what, in the next few weeks, good Lord, at all the broodcomb. Be real gentle doing all that. That's slow. queen is in there. See if that'll work. That's new space. But you say you want to go ahead and add some upper space.
Yes.
Yeah, put the other deed on.
Alright, big D. Run out of smoke, I think.
Mm-hmm. You're coming up on like 12 minutes anyway.
How many?
12.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
Dang, that was fast. Fast 12 minutes. Alright, bro. I'm sorry.
Mm-hmm.
This one need another frame or no? Just spacing. Count 10. Alright, now we need the inner cover. Get most of them left. Don't forget to put the whole side up. Back here. You could just bump it. Bump it on the ground and it'll jump off. Alright. There's one on the other side of that thing. Look, actually you're putting it back into the hive that way anyway. Alright, get the super. Dripping good. Hold on. Trying to let it catch vacuum. Quit dripping so fast. Is it looking decently even over there? Yeah. Alright. You want to take the whole kick plate out or not? You wait till better weather. Wait till just a little bit later and we'll do that. I used these frames somehow I did. Alright, inner cover. Please stay up. Oh heck, there's not going to be any trick, there's not going to be any way to really keep them out of that super. They're just going to have to get out and move on. Oh, they can. Alright, you can cut it off.